If you have a crafty horse lover in your house, this is gonna be a fun project. Now, I cut the tape, but I have not looked at this. But this is a paintable ceramic horse. I wanna see how big it is, and I wanna see what kind of material it's made out of. And I'm gonna let my granddaughter paint it. You could paint it realistic, you could paint it with patterns. You can do whatever you want. Oh, it's very nicely packaged with foam. And here's the horse. It is a pretty big size horse. It is like a ceramic clay. I'm not gonna take this out until we are ready to paint it. I'm gonna leave it in there. But you can see it is, you know how clay has the chalky feeling? It has that chalky feeling, so it's gonna absorb the paint really nicely. This does not need to be fired. We're gonna paint this with acrylic paint. It does not come with the acrylic paint. But this is a very nice figurine. There is a lot of detail. You can see a lot of the muscles on the horse. You can see the lines on his mane. You can see, here you can see the mane better in the back. And then on this side, you can see he's got ears. You can see details on his tail. But this is a very nice piece to paint. This is gonna be really nice when it's finished.